Hi everyone, Michelle here. Thanks for joining. Today is a 10-minute shoulder day workout. If you're looking for a full body workout, make sure you combine this one with the other 10-minute workouts. For this workout, some of the exercises, today I will be using a band. So if you have one, go and grab it. If not, don't worry, you can still do the exercises without the band. If you can't join us, make sure you save this video to your watch later list and join us when you can. All right, let's start this shoulder workout. So the first one, we're gonna do a shoulder press. So up and down and go. Make sure we are keeping our lats nice and tight as we go up and down. Keeping that arm at a 90-degree angle. Breathing. Really trying to keep that core tight as we go up and down. A good way to keep our core tight is to squeeze the glutes. And that will help us balance as well. Breathing, so inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good job, guys. Hang in there. And we are resting and going into a lateral raise for a minute. Good job, guys. Stance-wise, if you like a closer stance, that's fine. If you like a wider stance, it's a little easier to keep that core tight and squeeze the glutes. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. So in, out, keep going. Nice, slow, and controlled. We're aiming for as many as we can get in, but slow and controlled. Feel the burn like right here. Good job, guys. Hang in there. And we are resting. All right, going straight into our front raise. Same thing. Keep that core tight. And we're targeting the front delt of our shoulder. So we have the front, mid, and rear delts, all part of the shoulder. Good job, guys. Hang in there. At any point you need to rest, just put your arms down, shake them out, and go right back into it. You guys got this. Yeah. Keep going. So inhale. Exhale. Feel the burn. Good job, guys. Almost there. Core tight and rest. All right, I want you guys to grab your bands, put them around your wrist, and what I want you to do is we're going to do step out. So we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, and switch sides. Okay, and go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep that core tight. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And as far as your band can stretch, I want you to give yourself, I want you to step out as far as you can. 1, 2. If you don't have a band, same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Keep going, guys. Keep that core tight. And 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep going, guys. You guys got this. Almost there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Breathe. Feel the burn. So you should feel it like right in here. 1, 2, 1, 2. And rest. Shake out those shoulders. And same thing. You're going to keep the band exactly like this, right around your fingers. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of roll your lats back and your shoulders back. And we're going to go up and down. Ready? Go. Good job, guys. So I want you to touch the wall, but if you have a different kind of band and it gets stuck, just lightly go right before the wall and up and down, up and down. Keep that core tight. Squeeze the glutes to keep the core tight. Breathe. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good job, guys. Almost there. This helps with your range of motion on your shoulders as well. So try to reach as far up against the wall as you can. And rest. All right. So that was 5 exercises for the first round. We're going to go right back into it, doing the same 5 exercises we just completed. And we're starting off with our shoulder press. Keep that core tight. You can squeeze the glutes to help keep that core tight. And remember, 90 degrees and up. Deep breaths in. Deep breaths out as we go down. So in, out. Slow and controlled. In, out. Good job, guys. Hang in there. Keep that core tight. So we're keeping our core tight. And up and down. And up and down. Good job, guys. Hang in there. Feel the burn. Don't give up on me. You guys got this. And rest. Heading into our lat raise. Nice, slow and controlled. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keeping our core tight and those glutes locked. Good job, guys. Hang in there. Slow and control. Ever get tired, just shake out your arms and go right back into it. You guys are doing great. Almost there, almost through this minute. Don't give up. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out, and we are resting and going into our front raise. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out, keeping that core tight. We didn't even have to move our position, so we should be in the same position that we were for our lat raises. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. So in, out. Slow and controlled. Good job, guys. Really targeting that front delt within our shoulder. Hang in there. We're almost there. And we're almost halfway through. Well, actually, we're halfway through this workout, this round. We got 2 more exercises after this one. You guys are doing great. Keep that core tight. And rest. All right. Grab that band and head over to the wall. And 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, go as far as your band will let you. Really try to reach out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And keep switching sides. Good job, guys. Deep breaths, core tight. And the 1, 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 out, 2 in. 2 out, 2 in, and rest. All right, shake out those shoulders as we head into our last one, keeping the band around your fingers. Roll those shoulders back and up and down. And remember, if you don't have a band, it's the same thing. Up and down, up and down. Really working on that range of motion in your shoulders. Keep that core tight. Roll those shoulders back. Keep the lats tight. And up and down. Good job, guys. Keep going. Core tight. Up and down. Up and down. As we go up, inhale. As we go down, exhale. You guys are doing great. Hang in there with me for the last couple seconds. And rest. All right, guys, you have completed our 10-minute shoulder workout. What I want you to do as we bring that heart rate down is just to stretch your shoulders. So give this a go. This will actually stretch your triceps as well as kind of giving your shoulders just a little relaxation. And switch. Good job, guys. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. And your last stretch, bring your arm across your body. Feel that stretch right up in here. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. And switch. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. I just really want to thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see you next time. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you download our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.